Good morning. Can you imagine that is June of 19th of 2023? And probably this is the effect of the storm which had just hit the coast of Gujarat 2 days ago, known by the name of Biparjoy. And these are the after effects, or rather repercussions of that storm that has halted a bit after heading the coast of Gujarat, and it probably has damaged a lot. People have been evacuated, but anyways, the effect of Biparjoy can be seen here in Ghaziabad next to Delhi. The rains have showed up in at least uh, a fortnight duration gap, and overall it's been a comfortable summer this year as compared to what we used to have earlier. And there we are, raining and on one of my favorite lanes. And the good thing is I've started quite early, so there's no pressure of driving fast or whatever. Never drive fast. Well, at least you'll get to reach to your destination. It is better to reach than not to reach, or reach in deformed condition. So keep that in mind, safety of you and yourself and your kids. And I've always felt that while I'm in the mid of that road, the rains actually it starts intensely after entering into one of my favorite roads, which I call Sanctuary Road. Rain has stopped a bit, and you can imagine this is the scene of the Ghaziabad, which is, see what I just told. As soon as I get into this road, rains always starts intensifying, and there's some science to it. I was discussing it with one of my uncle. He said no, trees cannot attract to that level. I told you there's some localized effect which I'm unable to figure out. Let's see what it is. And having the feel of hill station rather, without the inclinations, that greenery, this is quite soothing itself. And green is said to be the color which is, or your rather eyes are tuned, naturally accustomed to seeing the green color and the sound of the rain, which is most soothing. So take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the moment. And that is for you. I decided to capture this moment and share with you so that the joy and the pleasure can be shared. So there you are. I'll give myself some moment without video capturing. Have a good day. It was 19th of June 2023. Bye bye.